How to use Stremio in laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open for browser and then simply search for Stremio and go to downloads. Here you will see an option of Stremio for Windows and also for Mac and Linux. Choose whatever you have as your operating system. Since I have Windows, I will simply click on this Stremio for Windows version, and right over here, as you can see, this is being downloaded. After the file is completely downloaded, simply install into your device and set up. Now you will be able to use it very easily in your laptop as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.